Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can add a new region on macOS, and that too after the macOS Big Sur new update. So the Big Sur update is here. If you also want to update Catalina to Big Sur on Mac system, refer the link in the description of this video. Now let us see how we can add a new region. Click on the Apple sign, click on System Preferences. Herein guys, click on Language and Region. After that you can see right now the region is India. If you want to change it, click on the option and you can select any language. It is based on your basically your continents. So if you want to add any European country, click on Europe. Want to add any America's country, click on the following. African, Asian. Right now India is set up. You can select any language. After selecting, it will automatically change the first day of week, the calendar, the time format, temperature, everything. Right now it is India, so the time format is the following, date format. This is how we write. The currency is rupees, INR, international rupees, and the same is visible for an example, and the language is English. From herein you can also add a new language. I'll click on the plus sign to add a language. You can select it. If you want Hindi, you can select it. Hindi you can select it, or you can select any language and click on add. We will click on cancel because we want to keep the same because we are in India. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily set a new region on macOS, especially after the macOS Big Sur update. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.